Homework 7, number 6. So in this problem, you're told that suppose that one wants to create a vector of A of 1s and 0s whose length is equal to 2n. For instance, when n equals 3, then A will be an array of 6 elements with alternating 1s and 0s. So given a value of n, create a vector A with the desired property. Okay, let's go to MATLAB and try and strategize here. So basically, if you're given a number n, whatever it is, let's just use a number 4. I need to create an array A with a length of 2n with alternating 1s and 0s, right? So logically, let's just run a loop from I to 2n and then just drop 1s and 0s in this array as we progress through the loop. So I'm going to say for I equals 1 to 2n, right? 2 multiplied by n. So I'm running a loop for 2n, and in this loop let's run it in 2s, right? Because I'm dropping 1s and 0s at the same time. So I'm going to say A of I is equal to 1, A of I plus 1 is equal to 0, right? And then I'm going to end. So what this loop does is it's going to run from 1 to 2n in increments of 2, right? So I is going to be 1, 3, 5, 7. And for A of I, so A of 1 is going to be 1, A of 2 is going to be 0. And then when I becomes 3, A of 3 is going to be 1, A of 4 is going to be 0, etc. until the end. So if you run this, so let's run it. It's going to ask you to save again. And again, save it in a location which is easy for you to find. And I'm going to save it as HW7 number 6. Okay, and then run it, add it to the path, all this stuff, and let's run it and troubleshoot any errors. Okay, so we suppressed everything, so let's just add A here at the bottom so that it shows the array. And here you go, you're going to get A 1 0 1 0 1 0. If I change n to 5, should get the same thing. If I change n to 3, should get the same thing. So A will be an array of length 2n with alternating 1s and 0s. So one thing you see here, which once after I changed n to so when n was equal to 5, I got this result, and then when I reduced n to 3, I still got A to be 10 elements when it should be 6. So a good practice, let me just clear the memory at the start of each run so that I'm not just resaving over my old run. So now if I rerun it, n3, I get 6 element array, n equals 4, I get an 8 element array, n equals 2, should get a 4 element array, etc.